Hello and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the FOTILE HYZK32-E3-B ChefCubii 1.1 Cu Foot 4-in-1 Combi-Steam Oven, a game changer for anyone serious about cooking at home. This sleek black oven is not just a standard appliance, it's an all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With a 1.1 cubic foot capacity, it's perfect for medium to large households. You get 4 versatile cooking functions: steam bake, air fry, convection, and dehydrator, giving you ultimate control over your meals. The steam bake function locks in moisture while baking bread, pastries, or casseroles, ensuring a perfect texture every time. Air fry mode delivers crispy results without the extra oil, making your favorite fried foods healthier. Convection mode circulates heat evenly, so roasting vegetables or cooking meats is consistent from edge to edge. The dehydrator function lets you make dried fruits, herbs, and jerky easily, perfect for snacks or meal prep. What really stands out is the 50 preset menus, so you can cook confidently without guessing time and temperature. From fish and vegetables to cakes and bread, these presets are designed for precision cooking. The oven also features an intuitive touchscreen interface for easy operation and a sleek black finish that adds a modern look to any kitchen. Safety is a priority too. It comes with an automatic shutoff, child lock, and overheat protection. Cleaning is simple because the interior is made of easy-to-clean materials, and the water tank for steaming is removable. Its compact design fits beautifully into most kitchens without taking up extra counter space. Whether you're a beginner or a culinary pro, this FOTILE ChefCubii oven brings versatility, convenience, and professional-grade results right to your home. Transform your cooking experience and explore endless recipe possibilities with one appliance. Don't wait. Check it out now on Amazon using the link below, and make sure to hit subscribe for more detailed appliance reviews.